Alright, so in this lesson we're going to show you how to create a new set of blank data for use in the Contact Manager software. And we're just going to do that by clicking on the icon to start the program. And it opens up first to this screen. Now ordinarily you'd be able to drop down on this little arrow and it will show you previous places that you've been to, and you could select from that list, or you could select a place where your data is if you know where it is by using the browse button and browsing to the folder such as this, for example, and then it would open up the data located at this location. What we're going to do in this lesson, however, is we're going to create a brand new set of data and set it up for your use. So I'm going to do that by clicking on this button here, and when I click on that, it opens up into an installation wizard, and I'm basically going to click next on the first screen. When I get to the next portion of this, and I'm at the screen that's entitled Select Destination Directory, it's offered a spot down here where it will create the data. Now I can either accept that, or I can use my browse button to find a new location of data to browse to, or in this case what I'm going to do is just change the folder name. So I'm going to create a folder in here called test data. And I'm going to click the install button here, and when I do, you see it's actually copying files into that location and it's finished, so I'm going to click on the finished button here. Now it brings me back to my select the data folder to open, and it will not necessarily be in this location yet, so the very first time I need to browse to that location. So I click on the browse button, and you have to remember where you created the data. So in my case it was located here in this folder, and I've browsed to there and I click OK, and now I'm just going to open it by clicking the OK button here. I haven't licensed yet my version of the Contact Manager, so I'm getting this notification will let me know that I'm going to continue an evaluation, and you will be able to use your software in evaluation mode until you get 25 contacts into it. So I'm just going to click OK here, and it's going to bring me into our main menu. That concludes the lesson on setting up your data, and we will continue in the series with the next lesson of logging in and setting up your software.